In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Texpand. With this app, you'll be able to store your frequently used phrases. So I'm going to open the app. If you don't have the app, you can search for it in the Google Play Store. I'll tap open, and then I'll tap continue. Next, I'll tap enable. So just look for the app in the list of apps you see. Tap on the app, and then you enable it and tap allow. After allowing it, you go back. And now you can start adding your phrases. Let's say, for example, people keep asking you for your phone number. Instead of having to type your phone number all the time or maybe your email, you can just create a shortcut to it. So I'll tap this pencil icon down here. I'll work with an email as an example. So tap phrase. It's a free app, but there are some premium features that you probably won't need. So just follow along and you should be fine. All right, so you have two options to work with. You have the shortcut and the phrase. So let's work with the email. For this channel, my email is, instead of having to type this email anytime anyone asks for my email, I can just think about a shortcut that I can use. So what I'll do next is tap the shortcut here and think about a phrase that I can use so that whenever someone asks for my email, I can just type the shortcut and it should show my email. So choose any shortcut you want as long as you can remember it. But for me, I can just type in smail. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use as my shortcut. And that's it. Just need to go back after you're done. You can add more phrases if you want, but let me show you how this works. Now, say for example, you're chatting with someone on Instagram and they ask you for your email. Well, since I already set smail as my email shortcut, just by typing smail, you can see that now I can tap here and my email will be entered. And all I can do is tap send and the email will be sent. So yeah, you can do this for phone numbers, emails, whatever you think people frequently ask you for or you really want quick access to, put it here and create a shortcut that you can remember. And that's it. You don't have to type out everything in full anymore. You just need to type the shortcut. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.